All right, so we have gotten used to some of these assignments and hopefully we've all worked our way into Google Classroom well. Something I found, because I have some students, maybe you do too, are they logging in? They're not turning in assignments on Google Classroom. I can't tell what they've done. So I found this really cool way to track your kids' logins, and it is in Launchpad. So once you're in Launchpad, you go to this icon right here. It's called My Backpack. Mine's been a little touchy, so hopefully it logs in correctly, but if not, it takes a couple tries for me, so hopefully you're not having, yay. Okay, so it's gonna go ahead and log in. Once you get in here, here's all your classes. I just go to conduct, it doesn't matter because we all have, if you have the same class, but if you have different classes, you probably need to go to your different class to see the different students. So I'm just gonna go into my conduct class because all my kids are the same. Over here, you're gonna click on students. Once you're in this one, and I'm going to move my photo. I know y'all miss me. Hi. We're going to, here's all your kids. Now to see what they've been doing, and I'm going to pick one who has been on a lot so y'all can kind of see. So here's our chart over here. You're going to click on the little graph tab, and it opens up their login history. So you can see that here's his graph for every month, and notice March. So he logged in yesterday at 9:29 a.m. and he was probably on a long time. I just click on that and it tells me what applications he did. Pretty cool to track. So again, I just go to that student. I can click on any day and it tells me the apps that he logged into for that day. So you can see all of your students. So if you go back to your backpack and you want to see a different student, notice it opened up each student in new tabs. So I'm going to go back to my backpack. I know one student who's not going online. I can still see though if he has logged in at all, just to see if he's checking in, but see 0 this month. So the last login for him was in my classroom probably on March 6th. So that's where you can tell who's logging in and who's getting online assignments done. So I hope that helps. Please reach out if you have questions technology-wise. You know I'm here all day and happy to help anyone who needs it. Miss seeing everybody, and hopefully this will be over in May.